Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to forward your message to your respondents that you have created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, and after that go to your home page and then tap on this collect responses button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. So tap on it, and then you can find this button at the top, this invitation button. So you can type in the email address of that person to whom you would like to forward your questionnaire. So type in their email address, and then it will be sent. If you tap on this send button, enter the email address and tap on send, and it will be sent. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.